How to verify Bitcoin on Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can verify Bitcoin on Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to verify your Bitcoin on Cash App, you're not really verifying Bitcoin, but we want to verify our Cash App account, and that way we will be able to enable withdrawal and deposits of Bitcoin. And to do this, of course, you can just go ahead and then open up Cash App on your device. Once you open up Cash App, just come to this home tab here. Once you come to the home tab, you'll find the Bitcoin button. Tap on the Bitcoin tab. You'll most likely find the buy or deposit option. Whenever you try to buy or deposit Bitcoin, automatically Cash App is going to prompt you to verify your identity. But in case it doesn't, the another thing you can do is simply try to add some cash. And when you try to add some cash on Cash App, it'll automatically ask you to verify your identity. Let me just show you. And here you can see it says me to please verify your identity to continue using Cash App. So all I need to do is just tap the continue option over here, and as I do that, first of all, make sure to simply enter your legal name. Once you've entered your legal name, make sure to enter your legal date of birth. Now the reason I'm stressing the word legal is because later on Cash App will ask you to verify with your legal documents, and if the information that you type in right now doesn't match the information on the document later on, your verification process could fail. So I'm just asking you to be careful here, and then just tap the next option. The next step, you have to simply enter the last 4 digits of your social security number. Once you've entered those details, you'll be able to simply upload your documents such as your passport, driver's license, or whatever else you can offer, and then your Cash App account will get successfully verified, and then your Bitcoin will also get verified. This way you can basically go ahead and then verify Bitcoin on Cash App. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.